If I had to choose my favorite Curlsmith product of all time, what would it be? I would have to say... Hey curl friends, I'm BiancaRenee and you're watching BiancaRenee Today. And today, I'm going to tell you my favorite Curlsmith products out of the entire collection. Today's video is sponsored by Curlsmith, but as you guys know, I've loved Curlsmith for a million years now, which makes it even harder to narrow it down to my favorite one. But because I'm a Stronghold Gel girl, I would have to say the fragrance-free Stronghold Gel. If you would have asked me about a month or so ago, I would have said the Curlsmith Shine line. But as you might have realized, the Shine line is no more. They are discontinuing the Shine line, but sort of kind of not really. The Shine line is here to stay, but now rebranded and new packaging. So if this is your favorite like it is mine, have no fear. We are still getting the shampoo, the conditioner, the cream, and the gel. It's just got a new outfit. It's got a new fit, and the same great ingredients and formula is the same. But now it's just called their fragrance-free line. So even though I actually do like products that have a certain scent to them, these are so good that I don't even care that they're fragrance-free. And I know it's really hard for a lot of you to find products that are fragrance-free because you have sensitive skin, allergies, sensitive to smell, you just don't like fragrance in general. This is the absolute #1 choice if you have that type of sensitivity and you have curly hair. It's technically for all hair types, but my curls love it. So today I'm going to show you the entire wash day routine using the fragrance-free products, including the shampoo and conditioner, starting off in the shower. It's wash day. Let's wash this hair using the fragrance-free shampoo. So obviously it smells like nothing. Perfect. But it's still packed with great ingredients. It has rosemary, sunflower seed oil, aloe leaf, basil, and resurrection flower. What kind of holy flower is that? The shampoo doesn't have a huge lather, but after I rinsed it out, my hair felt really soft. So it's not stripping at all. Now for the conditioner, I'm going to grab the Curlsmith fragrance-free conditioner for all curl types. This has rosemary, coconut oil, avocado oil, aloe leaf, and shea butter. And of course has no scent. But I was very happily surprised by the slip. Look at that. Didn't even have to use a brush, just use my fingers, and just like that, this whole side is detangled. Now let's do the other side, and there you go. Fully detangled, easy peasy. These products work great. All right. Now it's time to style with my favorite styling products that Curlsmith has made. This is the fragrance-free leave-in. It's for all curl types. It's a very lightweight cream that does not weigh down my fine hair. That's why I personally love it. Raking this in, pressing it in, really focusing on the ends. This has babasu oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil. Y'all know I rarely use leave-in conditioners. I've definitely been better lately. But if I had to choose like a go-to, it's usually this one or the Weightless Air Dry Cream. But if you're looking for something that's fragrance-free, because you have sensitive skin or sensitive nose, this is the one for you. Step 1. And now for the greatest Curlsmith gel of all time, the fragrance-free Stronghold Gel. I really do love and use all of Curlsmith's gel, but some of you think that the in-shower style fixer is too strong. And some of you might think that the souffle or the flexi jelly doesn't have enough hold. But since this is a level 9 hold, I think it's just perfect. The in-shower style fixer is level 10, but just that 1 point makes all the difference. This one is less sticky than the in-shower style fixer. That one you absolutely have to apply on wet hair, even though I recommend you do that anyways. But this one's like a little bit more forgiving, a little bit more beginner friendly for those of you that might just be stepping into the Stronghold world. And we welcome you. Smoothing it in, rake, pray hands, smooth, and scrunch it back up. And voila! So I'm going to air dry for a little bit, diffuse, and come back to show you the final results. And I'm back. My hair is about 95% dry. But before I fluff it out, make it even bigger because this is my day 1 hair, I just want to show you how perfect and pristine these curls are. So even though they are no longer calling it the shine line, look at the shine. Look at this. Look at the definition. I never used a brush. I didn't finger coil. I didn't even section. And these are the results I get. So beautiful. So now I'm going to break up these big ringlets to get more volume, but I just had to show you how perfect they are. Okay, so I'm going to shake it at the roots. Flip it, Now I'm only doing this like grabbing motion because of the hold of the gel. If my hair was just soft and fluffy, I'd be creating a lot of frizz. But because we have hold, I can do these things and kind of manipulate my curls more without destroying the curl pattern. And voila! I just love it. Guaranteed gorgeous results every single time. This combo right here is definitely one of my go-tos. So this is how I expect my hair to look on day one. It's only gonna get bigger and better all throughout the week because of the strong hold. Strong hold gel will let your curls last all throughout the week. That way you don't have to wash your hair quite as often. So if you are looking for a fragrance-free line because you have allergies, sensitive skin, sensitive nose, you just don't like fragrance, this is the line I would absolutely recommend. The shampoo, conditioner, the leave-in, and the level 9 strong hold gel. All these are available on the Curlsmith website, which I will link below in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I post new videos. Can't honestly say every week. If you haven't noticed, I am very much pregnant. Surprise! Not sure if this is the first long form video that I've posted since being pregnant. So yeah, there is that news. So I am gonna use the baby as my excuse as to why I'm not posting every single week, but I'm trying. I'm still working. What more do you want from me? But if you enjoyed this video or at least want to give me an A for effort for filming while pregnant, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And you also can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Ms. Bianca Renee. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching BiancaReneeToday.